How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing well, because today we are taking out, once again, the pit bikes. Now I do have the JR80 as you guys saw in last week's video. This thing is a lean, mean, killer machine right here. And then we got the 110 as well. So actually, both of them are a little clapped out right now, as you guys can tell. They're dirty as sin, but that really doesn't matter because we're just gonna go ride and get them dirty again. But I do want to get them warmed up before we go over to Jake's house today. We are actually meeting up with Mo, Chase, and a few other of Jake's buddies, and we're gonna go ripping. Why is there a helicopter outside right now? There's a freaking Apache above my house right now. I'm gonna get these bikes warmed up before Mo and Chase get on their way here. That way, when I start them up at Jake's house, they're ready to run, and we don't have to wait around any for them. So I'm gonna pull this out, and let's get them started. Let's see. Hell yeah. We'll let these two warm up, and while we're waiting, we'll get the truck ready and get ready to rip, because I'm excited for today. Alright guys, we got the truck all loaded up, as you guys can tell, and we got fuel in the truck because it was on empty after my last drive down to Busco. So we're headed over to Jake's now, and I'll just see you guys over there, and we'll meet up with Mo, and I think someone else is coming. We're gonna have to find out though. So I'll see you guys when we get over there. See a few fellas here already, so someone's got a Sprinter. Looks nice. What's up, bud? How you doing?
What's up? Give us some pepper one time. Woo! Looking good, boy.
Dude, go check out the new unit. Little JR80, dude. This thing scoots. I'm gonna have to get you riding it today.
Hell yeah. You know, I've always actually wanted to get a PW50.
Yeah.
A PW80.
80, yeah. Dude, these things they're pretty fast.
Dude, soup one up, it'd be a little sleeper.
I'm gonna do like a little like RM probably. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm trying to find a pipe for it. It's hard to find pipes. I don't know how like two-stroking, like if you can put like any two-stroke pipe on it, or like
They probably make a pipe for it.
They probably do, but
maybe.
I need to do some graphics on it, probably some big forks and stuff.
What year is this thing?
2001. When I picked it up, the dude said, oh, it probably hasn't been started in about 9 or 10 years. I'm like, oh my gosh.
Any bike under $1,000 that runs, in my opinion, is a good deal.
Is a good deal,
so anything better than that, it's just a win-win when you go to sell it.
Yeah, she needs some tires and some stuff, but I still got my stock tires off that bike. Same size wheel.
That's all you need.
Dude, we're good.
Nice, dude.
All right, guys, I'm gonna put my helmet on. We're gonna go do a few test laps on the 80. That's gonna be a lot of fun. And then I'll pick you guys up whenever we get back and Mo and Chase arrive. So stay tuned, because we're gonna have a lot of fun today, and I'm excited to get the camera out and, you know, take some photos, take some video, so we can have a sick montage for you guys. Oh buddy, put the gloves on. We're gonna take the 80 out first, just cause why not, you know? See what we can do out here on this puppy. This is so funny. I'm on a freaking 20-year-old bike right now. Oh, first kick. Ooh, Jake. Ooh, almost scraped it. You're like this far, dude. Oh man, you got these looking nice. Dude, that jump is still so sketchy to me. Oh, I don't have any engine brake. Oh yeah, oh, he got a little... What's he got going on here? Oh, that's a lot better, dude. Ooh, that's rocky. Chase is gonna wear this place in like there's no tomorrow with his tires. Dude, this thing has so much power going uphill. This thing is so much fun. I love this. Maybe not for tracks, but third gear is definitely my second gear on my other bike. Hi, what's his name? Henry. What's up, Hank? Come here, buddy. You're very adorable and cute. Oh my God. Henry. How are you, dude? Should we try the jump? I'm feeling it. I think we got it all day, dude. Got Jake behind us. That was so much fun. Dang, they're getting so much air off of that. Oh my God. I gotta hit that again today. Woo! I almost died right there, dude. Woo! Oh my God. I almost nosed right into that. Oh, they're here. Oh, they're here. Did you see me hit the jump? Huh? Did you see me hit the jump? What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
How are you? Dude, you gotta take it for a rip.
Dude, I know. I heard you pull up on it. It looks so sick. It's like a pillow, though.
Yeah, it's
so like,
clapped.
All right. Let's see. Yeah, I want to see. Hold on.
Oh, you gonna ride too?
Let me take it for
GTA?
Miller, why does this thing smell? Why does it have a tooth?
Dude, it's fork guards, baby.
It looks like a tooth.
It is it's a giant tooth. We'll call it the tooth fairy. Hey, no, it's one down. Yeah, one down, four up. Is he sending it already? Let's see if he sends the jump. I wonder if he sends to the jump. Second gear.
Dude, I kind of need a jacket.
Dude, no, once you warm up, you're good. So dude.
Let me try.
I think he likes it a little bit.
I need one.
You need one.
Dude, it actually looks fun. Like, really fun.
You got it all day. He might die. I almost ended those last time.
It looks fun to ride.
Dude,
bro.
it's a blast. Isn't that so much fun? Watch him sit in the dirty. You need to ride the 80, but Chase.
Dude, I know. Chase is hogging. I can make that.
Let him ride it real quick. Dude, it's pretty fun, isn't it?
It's so fun. It is a two-stroke. You gotta keep it higher, man. I don't think Mo's ever rode a two-stroke before.
Oh, me neither. It's okay. Oh, he's sitting it. It's fun.
It's really fun.
I like it.
It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
Where did you find it?
My sister's friend had it for like since it brand new. Would you hit it on that?
Yeah.
Third gear all day.
Dude, it's so fun. It's so fun. I can make that.
Oh my God.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. Hey, how mad are you gonna be if I don't make it?
As long as you don't break the frame. Third gear though, third gear. Oh boy.
It's not easy.
Oh yeah. It's honestly a pretty fun bike, isn't it?
It's really fun. I felt a little sketchy on it.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, you think he's gonna make this for real?
Oh, he's got it all. I kind of overshot.
A little bit. He just hit like everything out there on it.
Nice.
Like the tree one and the... Oh, it's blown up though!
Oh my God.
RIP!
You get in the grass.
What'd you do? RIP. It's probably... Yeah, you wanna bring me a 10? That'd be great. No, it's just this, there's a tank right here. With an old
it's just coming out, yeah, right there.
Yeah.
It's not coming out of the actual.
Yeah, no, it's fine. The line just broke, essentially, is what my guess is.
Nothing major, it's just all the oil's falling out of it.
It's like you shot it with a gun.
How did I do this and ride it for 5 minutes?
Dude, he sailed it. Yeah, how did you not feel that on your leg?
Oh, I was wondering why my shoe was a little wet.
Where did that come from?
It came out of here.
Oh, that's the sight thing for it.
That's where it was leaking from.
Is it really?
Yep.
Wait, are you
Screwed on? No way.
On.
No way.
Is that really the issue? Yeah, no, that's literally it. It was literally pouring out of there.
Oh, we could have fixed it so much quicker.
It was just this sight glass. The sight glass unscrewed.
Back in action, ready to rip.
I gotta give my first reaction. You gave your first reaction on that.
Let
me go ride it. Let me go get my helmet real quick. Mo got a big bore kit apparently, and he wants me to ride it. That thing sounds pissed. I'll take the green one.
I'll take the green one.
All right, let's rip this thing. I'm so glad we fixed the JR. Look, a simple fix. Just the sight glass came unscrewed a little bit. And there was.
You like my
Dude, those look sick. I've never ridden like besides your bike, I've never ridden a big bore.
My bike was nothing compared to this.
Are you serious? Oh my, what the hell? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, why is this thing so freaking fast? Alright, here we go. First lap on Mo's bike. Oh my god. I think he hasn't even ridden this thing yet with the big bore kit. Oh, getting a little sketchy. Oh my god. Oh, I don't like the bars, dude. Bars are weird. Oh my god, this thing's way too fast. Dude, this thing gets going. Oh my god. What the hell? Have you ridden it yet?
Yeah.
Oh, at a track?
No.
Oh my god. Dude, you have so much, you know how you keep steady on the throttle to like go over the jump, right?
Yeah.
Well, it has so much power going up the lip of the jump, it's crazy.
Really?
Yeah. Hell yeah. We'll get back on old Betsy here. Oh, this was way better. I feel at home now. Except the rear end of this bike is like crazy. Ah, Mo! I need to get new brakes for this thing already. Love that. It's because I keep grinding in mud and shit. Oh, is Mo sending it? Oh my god, Mo. He lived, I guess. Oh, dude, we're gonna have a great day out here. I can't wait to get out the camera and get some clips for you guys. Oh, so much fun. I'm glad the two-stroke everybody liked it, dude. That makes it so much better out here. Just let anybody ride it. Oh, Mo almost died! Holy shit! You almost died. You almost died. Oh my god, that's so high. Alright, I'm gonna get the camera out. We're gonna get some cool clips, for sure.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Where are we going at? Where we go? Where we go? Oh God, I don't know where I'm going. Dude! Dude, it's fun! Alright guys, trails were a lot of fun. Mo, Chase, thanks for coming out today.
JR80, definitely gonna get one.
Do what? Sorry about blowing up my bike. Sorry. Dude, we thought it was done, but it was literally this oil cap that like the sight glass.
Still terrible.
I can't believe you blew it up, bro. First time. You got 3 laps in. Should you get a bike now?
I'm getting JR80.
Yeah, with the tooth on the front?
With a, literally a tooth.
A tooth.
Hey, do you guys want free gloves?
To go home, we'll raffle them off. Do that. Hey, no. Try to load it up. Whoa.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, guys.
I'll keep it at my house just for a little bit.
Just for a little bit.
I'll clean it up.
I'll Venmo you.
Yeah, I'll clean it up and...
Why is the pipe so ridiculously small?
Dude, it's so tiny. I'm gonna grab the camera so we can take a thumbnail and then we're gonna load up these bikes.